National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee until 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:43 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Clarksville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Clarksville around 1:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 6. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. At 1:25 p.m. Central